Hello, this is Helena Kraus for Trinity Stamps, and today we're taking a closer look at the Creativity stamp and die set that was part of the third birthday party release. So this is a mini stamp set, measures 3 by 4. It has 6 stamps, 4 images, and 2 sentiments. The largest image, the cup, measures 2¼ wide by 1¾ tall. The crafty tools are about 2 inches wide and 1¾ tall. Each stamp has coordinating dies. The dies are sold separately, which means also the sentiments have coordinating dies. So now let's take a look. I've stamped and die cut those. You can see the cup has a little slit that you can slit into the crafty tools into it, and it looks pretty nice. Also, we have the filling for the liquid in the cup. Tea, or you can do coffee or something completely different, and you can have that little tea bag hang on the side. Can put it into the slot and secure it probably on the back with a little bit of adhesive. And also we have the two sentiments that are already die cut. So I have them here on a piece of A2 cardstock, which is 4¼ by 5½, just for your reference to see how big the images are and how they would look on a card. They're perfectly sized to fit on A2 card, and also they will work perfectly for mini slimline cards too. And you can stretch them even more and use them on a regular slimline card. Now let's take a look at a few of the samples that our creative team made. So we have here with the crafty tools, and then we just have the crafty tools on a shaped card. Thank you so much for joining me today as we take a closer look at the Creativity stamp and die set.